Okay, welcome. So there's this question from jamb 1998, question 24, where we are told let I equal bracket open 1 0 0 1 bracket close and P equal 2 3 4 5 bracket close, Q equal bracket open U 4 plus U minus 2V V bracket close be a 2 by 2 matrices such that PQ equal I. Find UV. Quickly in solving this, we write solution. Next up, in looking for our value for UV, we know that this operation involves multiplication of matrix by matrix, and in carrying out such operation, we multiply rows by column. So given that PQ is equal to I, we have it that the value for P is bracket open 2 3 4 5 bracket close, and value for Q bracket open U 4 plus U minus 2V V bracket close is equal to bracket open, a value for I now, which is a 2 by 2 identity matrix, is 1 0 0 1 bracket close. Now, having noted this, we proceed with our multiplication. So we have this to be equal to bracket open. As we stated earlier, we multiply row by column. So we have 2 times U plus 3 times bracket open minus 2V bracket close. Next we have 2 times bracket open 4 plus U bracket close plus 3 times V. Now come down, move down, and we have 4 times U plus 5 times bracket open minus 2V bracket close. And lastly, we have 4 times bracket open 4 plus U bracket close plus 5 times V or bracket close. This is equal to bracket open 1 0 0 1 bracket close. Now we proceed and we have this to be equal to bracket open 2 times U, we have 2U. Now we have plus 3 times bracket open minus 2V bracket close. This gives us minus 6V. Next we have 2 times 4 gives us 8. 2 times plus U gives us plus 2U. And we have a plus 3 times V giving us plus 3V. Move down, we have 4 times U giving us 4U plus 5 times bracket open minus 2V bracket close. This gives us minus 10V. And lastly, we have 4 times 4 gives us 16. We have 4 times plus U gives us plus 4U. We have plus 5 times V giving us plus 5V bracket close. This is equal to bracket open. We have 1 0 0 1 bracket close. At this point, it is possible for us to equate our terms in terms of U and V to continue solving in terms of U and V. So from row 1, column 1, we have 2u minus 6v to be equal to 1. Term this as our equation 1. Then also from our row 1, column 2, we have 8 plus 2u plus 3v to be equal to 0. This itself, we move 8 to the other side of our equal to, so we end up having 2u plus 3v to be equal to minus 8. Term this as our equation 2. Now, from equation 1, we derive equation 3 by moving minus 6v to the other side of the equation. Hence, we end up making 2u our subject of formula. So we make 2u as subject of formula. We have 2u now equal to 1. We move minus 6v to the other side of our equation. So we have plus 6v. And we term this as our equation 3. Now we substitute our value for equation 3 into equation 2. Substitute, let's just write that quickly. Let's substitute our value, substitute equation 3 into equation 2. So a value for equation 3 takes the place of 2u in equation 2. So we end up having in place of equation 2, in place of 2u in equation 2, we end up having 1 plus 6v, taking the place of 2u now, all right, plus 3v to be equal to minus 8. Now, having done this, we proceed and we have 1 plus 6v plus 3v gives us plus 9v is equal to minus 8. We move 1 to the other side of our equal to, and we have 9v is equal to minus 8. When 1 crosses the equal to, it becomes minus 1. So we have minus 1. So this gives us equal to 9v is equal to minus 9. We divide both sides of our equation by 9. Divide by 9. Divide by 9. 9 cancel 9. 9 cancel minus 9. Therefore, have a value for v to be equal to minus 1. Now, having gotten our value for v as minus 1, we impute our value for v into equation 1. Value for v, we impute it into equation 1. Therefore, we have 2u minus 6 bracket minus 1. That from equation 1 is equal to 1. And this gives us 2u minus 6 bracket open minus 1 bracket close gives us plus 6. This is equal to 1. We move our plus 6 to the other side of our equal to. So we have 2u is equal to 1 minus 6, because when plus 6 crosses the equal to, it becomes minus. So this gives us 2u is equal to minus 5. Now we divide both sides of our equation by 2. 2 cancel 2. 2, 1. This itself is impossible, as we can see. So this ends up giving us our answer as, sorry for that. Quickly we erase this. Erase this out. All right. So we have 2 cancel 2, but 2 cannot proceed to cancel minus 5. Can't cancel minus 5. So this gives us answer as a u equal to minus 5 over 2. So therefore, we have it that our answer for u, v, bracket close, is equal to bracket open, minus 5 over 2, comma, minus 1, bracket close. Thank you.